If I lost everything today, no audience, no money, no connections, here's exactly how I'd get back to $10,000 a month using AI. Not in theory. This is the same playbook that's generated over $18 million in sales across my businesses. And honestly, starting over in 2026 would be easier than when I did it, because the tools that cost me years and thousands of dollars to figure out exist for almost nothing. I'm gonna walk you through the entire plan, the business model I'd pick, how I'd find my idea in 3 days, how I'd build it without writing code, and exactly how I'd get my first customers week by week. By the end of this video, you'll have the complete blueprint. The only thing I can't give you is the decision to actually start. Let's go. First decision, what business model? Because this choice determines everything. Here's what I would not do. I wouldn't do dropshipping, razor thin margins, and you're competing with 1 million people selling the same product. I wouldn't sell courses. People are tired of buying information. They want results, not 30 hours of videos. And I wouldn't do affiliate marketing as my main play. I did it for years. You're building someone else's business and they can cut your commissions overnight. Here's what I would do. I'd build AI software. And before you say, Jonathan, I'm not technical, neither am I. I was a corporate employee, never wrote a line of code in my life. Here's why software wins. One word, recurring. When someone buys your software, they don't pay you once. They pay you every single month. Think about Netflix. You've probably been paying them for years without thinking twice. That's the power of software. Now here's the math that changed my life. Charge $50 a month, get 200 customers. That's $10,000 a month. Not 10,000 customers, not 1 million followers, 200 people. That's a high school graduating class. And every month you start with $10,000 already in the bank. That's the goal. Now let me show you exactly how I'd get there. Days 1 through 3, finding the idea. This is where most people get stuck for months. I'd find mine in 3 days. Here's how. First, I'd ignore the advice to follow your passion. Passion doesn't pay. Pain pays. People don't buy software because it's cool. They buy it because something in their life or business is annoying, expensive, or time consuming. So I'd go hunting for pain. 3 places. Place number 1, Reddit. I'd search for phrases like, is there a tool that, or I wish there was an app. People literally post their software ideas every single day, begging someone to build them. Place number 2, reviews of existing software. I'd find popular tools and read their 1-star reviews. Every angry review is a customer waiting for something better. Place number 3, boring industries. Everyone's building AI tools for marketers and creators. Nobody's building for landscapers, plumbers, dental offices, churches. My dad is a landscaper. He built a tool that helps landscapers get leads. Boring niche, real money. Here's my rule. I'm looking for one specific person with one specific problem that I can solve with one simple tool, not a platform, not the next Facebook. One problem solved well. That's a $10,000 a month business. Days 4 and 5, validation. This step right here is the difference between making money and wasting 3 months. Because here's the brutal truth. Most software fails not because it's built badly, but because nobody wanted it in the first place. So before I build anything, I validate. 3 quick checks. Check number 1. Are people searching for this? I look at what people are typing into Google. If thousands of people a month are searching for a solution, there's demand. If nobody's searching, that's a warning sign. Check number 2. Do competitors exist? Now this surprises people. I want competitors. Competitors mean people are already paying to solve this problem. Zero competition usually means 0 customers. I'm not trying to invent a brand new market. I'm trying to enter a proven market with a better, simpler, or cheaper solution. Check number 3, the gut check. Can I name 10 real people or businesses who would pay $50 a month for this tomorrow? Not maybe someday, tomorrow. If I can't, I go back to step 1. If all 3 checks pass, I build. And this is where 2026 gets absolutely crazy. Week 2, building. This used to be the impossible part. 6 years ago, I wanted to build a software so badly that I almost took out a loan against my house. The quote was over $200,000. I'm so glad I didn't do it. Because that exact software today, I built it with AI for about 40 bucks. Let that sink in. $200,000 then. $40 now. This is why I call it the software gold rush. Here's how building works in 2026. You use an AI builder, Lovable, Claude, Bolt. Take your pick. You describe what you want in plain English and the AI writes all the code. It designs the pages, it builds the login system, it handles the database, it even hosts everything for you. You don't touch a single line of code. If you can write a text message, you can build software. And I know that sounds like hype, so let me give you proof. My 6-year-old daughter built an app that helps kids create stories. My 65-year-old dad, who can barely use email, built his landscaping tool in 1 day. They can do it, you have no excuse. Total cost to build, most tools land between $40 and $60. Time, a simple tool takes a day or two. So by the end of week 2, I have a real working software. But here's where I need to be honest with you, because this next part is where 99% of people fail, weeks 3 and 4. Customers, listen to me carefully. Building the software is the easy part now. Getting customers is the entire game. There are thousands of beautiful, useful software tools sitting on the internet right now making $0 because the person who built them never learned this part. Here's exactly what I'd do. I'd post every single day on Facebook, not ads, not fancy funnels, simple text and image posts. This is exactly how I built my software to over 1,000 paying members. Here's the format that works. You make a post that calls out your person's pain and hints at the solution. Then in the comments, you add a ladder. Comment 1 explains the problem deeper. Comment 2 shows the transformation. Comment 3 has the link to your software. The post pulls them in. The comments walk them to your product. I make posts like this every day, and some of them get 300, 400 comments. Each one of those posts is a little salesperson working for me around the clock. I won't lie to you, your first post will flop, mine did too, but here's the timeline that actually happens when you stay consistent. Week 3, you post daily and hear crickets. Week 4, you get your first trial sign up. That first customer changes everything because if one stranger will pay for your software, so will 200. From there, it's just repetition. 10 customers becomes 50, 50 becomes 100, 100 becomes 200, and 200 customers at $50 is your $10,000 a month. Realistic timeline, most people who actually stay consistent can hit that in 6 to 12 months, not overnight. But show me any other path to $10,000 a month in recurring income that fast, starting from zero. There isn't one. So that's the plan. Pick software for the recurring revenue. Find a painful problem in 3 days. Validate it before building. Build it with AI for under $60. Then post daily until you hit 200 customers. Simple, not easy, but simple. Now here's the thing. Everything I just walked you through, the idea hunting, the validation, the build prompts, the daily posts with comment ladders, that's years of trial and error I just compressed into one video. And it's exactly why my partner Stefan and I built Maker AI. We took our entire $18 million playbook and turned it into a tool that walks you through all 4 steps. It finds you a profitable idea based on real market demand. It validates that idea with actual data before you waste time building. It gives you the copy and paste prompts to build your software. And then the part nobody else does, it creates your daily marketing content. The viral posts, the comment ladders, the images, everything I described in weeks 3 and 4 generated for you every single day. If you want the blueprint from this video turned into a step-by-step system, comment the word maker below and I'll send you everything. Or click the link in the description. Look, 6 years ago, I was sitting at a corporate job wishing I could build software, staring at a $200,000 quote. Today, a complete beginner can do it in a weekend for the price of a dinner. The gold rush is here. The only question is whether you're going to grab a shovel. If this gave you a real plan, hit subscribe. I drop AI business strategies every single week. I'll see you in the next one.